How to change the home screen grid size on your Android phone. Here's how. First, press and hold on an empty area of your home screen. Now tap Settings. On some Android phones, this option may be called Home Settings, Wallpaper and Style, or Customize. Look for the home screen layout or app grid option. Tap it to view the available grid sizes. Now choose the grid size you prefer, such as 4x6, 5x6, or another available option. Tap Apply or Done if prompted. If you don't see the grid option, try opening the Settings app and search for Home Screen. On some Android phones, this setting may not be available depending on the launcher you're using. That's it! Your home screen grid size has now been updated, allowing you to fit more or fewer apps and widgets on each page. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.